Yeah, see, there's that brake warning on my dash. I'm guessing this is related to the SBC braking system, and I'm wondering if it's related to that warning about the battery, maybe it's the auxiliary battery in the front. Um, but I'll have to check and see. Like I said, the AC fan isn't working either, even at full blast, and neither is the cigarette lighter power doesn't seem to be coming out. Although the display is working, and also I was able to start the car. So the fact that I was able to start the car tells me that it's probably not the main battery, and it's probably the auxiliary battery that is the problem. But I'm gonna check later with the multimeter and check the auxiliary battery output, and also run some OBD2 tests.